Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. In this video I'll be showing you how to make your own pre-made faux locks for crochet. In this tutorial you need just a pack of Kanekalon braiding hair, 2 packs of Kinky braids or Mali hair, any one of these would do, a pair of scissors, and yeah, you're good to go. So let's just begin. Start by measuring the Kanekalon hair to your desirable length. You can make it short, you can make it long. In this tutorial I'll be making a short bob kind of faux lock, so I divided the Kanekalon hair into 4 different sections. So it depends on you, any length that you want. Just make sure you measure the Kanekalon hair to that length and then you cut it and move on to feather the ends in order not to get a blunt end. You really want it to look more natural, so we are going to feather it a little bit. Now moving on to the braids. To begin, you have to pick a smaller section of the Kanekalon hair, and with this part also it all depends on you. You can make it big, you can make it small, just play around with it any size that you want. Get a section out of the Kanekalon hair and then make a 2-strand braids. Don't braid all the way down because you're gonna wrap it with some kinky hair. You don't have to braid it all the way down. You don't need much, just this is okay. And then we're gonna move ahead to unravel our kinky hair. It's kind of bulky, so you have to spread it to make it thinner so that when you're wrapping it would look very sleek and natural. So that's what I'm doing here, unveiling the kinky hair so that it will be easier for me to work with. So when that's done, leave about a few inches of the twist that you made. This section is where we are going to wrap our natural hair around. So we leave about a few inches away, then we start wrapping with the kinky hair all the way down. When wrapping, make sure that it's smooth, so be kind of spreading your fingers throughout the kinky hair to make sure that it's flat, it's looking sleek and natural as well. So keep braiding till you get to the bottom, and then once you get there, the tip, the smaller tip that you see right there, wrap it upwards. That's the Kanekalon hair. Wrap it upwards to secure the whole thing that you've done. And when you finish, pick a smaller section of the kinky hair and then wrap it on top of the Kanekalon hair that you wrap upwards. With this part you can choose to use a lighter to bend the ends so that the faux locks will not unravel. But when I do this method, it doesn't unravel, it doesn't do anything. I don't apply any heat, I don't use any lighter or match on it, and it still stays in place. So keep repeating the same process throughout, and yeah, That's basically how to do it. It's very simple. You don't need any technique. You don't have to be a professional to be able to do this. It's very simple, and yeah, everyone can do it. So I'll leave you guys to watch the rest of the tutorial, see how I do it step by step, and I'll see you all at the end of the tutorial. So guys, this is the final product. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video and also learned something from it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also leave me video suggestions in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the description for any details you need about this hair. And if you have any questions also, just feel free to ask me in the comment section down below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Until next week, bye guys.